It's good. It's Deftronic, www.deftronic.com. Got a new shoe, the Air Foamposite 1 cough drops. Just dropped today. Check them out. It's basically like a same release as the black and varsity reds that came out a while ago, but these have a red translucent type sole, kind of like on the Air Jordan 11s, but this red is kind of like a deeper red, so I guess that's why they named it cough drops. Check out the sole, pretty sick. I didn't own the other black and varsity red, so I had to go and cop these, you know. So yeah, deftronic.com. Peace. What's good? It's Deftronic, www.deftronic.com. Peep my blog on kicking your nuts. Not playing, but yeah. Got the cough drops, Air Foamposite 1. Check them out on the feet. And yes, this is a special I'm wearing khakis edition. If you don't like it, kiss my ass. But yeah, check them out. So kind of like cough drops, but they kind of look more or less like strawberry jam to me. Check them out. That's what they're looking like. Give you the side view. Yeah, that's what they're looking like. Alright. They were released today. There's only 3,000 pairs are made, but they will be re-released in December. So all you clowns who didn't get them today can try and get them in December, when everybody else will have them, and the people like me that have them now can rock them with a little bit of breathing room, because a lot of you clowns won't have them. Now I'm just playing. Well, yeah, deftronic.com. Peep my blog. Appreciate the subscriptions. And yeah, got the infrared pack also, so have a bit up with that also.